Definitely want to thank Rich and Fabio for letting us do this here. They closed their Sunday night dinner for this tonight, so definitely big round of applause and drink up. Wow.
I wrote a book called Bar Fodder, Poetry Written in Dark Bars and Questionable Cafes. If you like what you hear, you can pick up a copy at Borderlands Books on Valencia. Please don't buy it from Amazon because I hate them right now. I should start this off by, does anybody know about Argentine tango in the room?
Yeah.
Yeah. A little bit? Yeah. Okay. I used to teach and perform for about 6 years. So this is for my old partner who died of a heart attack just last year in Buenos Aires. I am an ugly man, and you are beautiful. Oh, so beautiful that I love you. Cannot tear my arms away from you. I am an ugly man, and you are so beautiful that I hate you. Cannot tear my arms away from you. I am an ugly man, but I can dance. Oh, so beautiful that you love me. Wouldn't give me a second glance if my legs were broken. What then about my heart?